How to use Grok and Companion. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can use Grok and Companion. So let's dive in. So first open your Grok app and then it's going to bring you to this interface, and here you have to click these two horizontal lines on the top left corner, and it's going to come up with this page, and here you have to click the settings gear. Once you do so, it's going to bring up this page over here, and you have to scroll through and find this companions option, and then you have to click enable companions over here. Now go back over here and click customize Grok, and you have to make this enabled as well. Now you have this custom option, customize how Grok responds, and then you have to click save. Now click this cross over here again, and here you can see now you have your companions that you can choose from. You have Anime Companion Annie over here that you can choose over here by clicking. Once you click this Annie icon or profile picture over here, you'll be able to communicate with it and use it. And that's how you use Grok Anime Companion. I'm going to just click this icon over here, but once I click it, I won't be able to record my voice because it's going to use the microphone. So I'm going to click it and then come back. So you see, that was the interface that you saw, the Grok Anime Companion interface that you would use. You had a chat box over here that you would use to just chat with the Anime Companion, and that's how you use this feature. Thanks for watching.